How to share a story on Wattpad to your profile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any story on Wattpad to your profile easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Wattpad. Now choose the story that you want to share. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Now all what you have to do, go to the top right here and click on this icon. And then go down until you find post to profile. Click on it, and now you will be able to post it on your profile like this. And as you can see, it's very easy. You can write something, for example, good, and click post, and it's posted to my profile, as you can see right here. If this video was helped you, thank you so much for watching. See you later.